Hi guys! A lot of people are wondering how these eye-catching animal haircut videos are created. In this video I am sharing a workflow to easily make such videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Prompts. Firstly, we are using ChatGPT for prompt writing. I have already prepared a prompt in the description. You can use it to ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for you. ChatGPT will provide 10 animals for you to select, or you can tell it what animal you like in the video. Take hippo for example. There it automatically creates 5 text-to-image prompts and 5 image-to-video prompts. What we want to do is copy the first prompt first. Step 2. AI image generation. Now we open HitPaw Photopea. You can find the official access link in the description. Click on AI generator. Choose text-to-image. Then paste the first prompt in the dialog. Select Nano Banana 2 model. And click on Generate. This is the first image it creates. We can next copy and paste other prompts to generate more images. Here are the images I created just now. Step 3. AI video generation. Moving on to open HitPaw Photopea. Choose the AI video generator feature. We are able to use the mainstream AI video generators from the drop-down menu. I would recommend using Dance 2.0, Kling AI and VO3. They all do well in making cool effects. Take Kling AI for instance. Import each image we generated just now. Then copy and paste the video prompts from ChatGPT. You may further customize the video settings here, such as duration and aspect ratio. Turn on native audio, then click on Generate. When it's completed, we have the cool video clip. Lastly, use video editing tools like CapCut to put them together as a full video. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.